Hello friends, today I am going to analyze the SFM paper of November 2022. First of all, I'll tell you this was one of the easiest SFM papers that have been asked in last few years because most of the questions were from past exams, RTP, MTP or the study material. Even the theory questions were very easy. A student who has completed the entire syllabus can easily score 70 plus in this SFM paper. There was no major surprise element except one or two questions with 2 or 4 marks which was slightly new, but again based on the concept the student will be able to solve. Surprisingly, many questions were repeated as it is from past exams or RTP. So in our class we cover all the study material RTP, MTP and past exams, and that is why the students of our batch they will find it very easy to attempt this SFM paper and get easily 70 or 80 marks. So I am going to analyze question by question the SFM 2022 November paper. First question, as you know, is a compulsory question, 3 parts. Part A is on mergers and acquisition. It's a very easy question on mergers and acquisition requiring you to calculate number of share, post merger EPS and like this, and you will be surprised to know that exactly same question with same data also was asked in November 2007 exam and May 2018 exam. The same question we have covered in our class, question number 26, page number 11.22. You can check. Question 1B, 8 marks on business valuation. Again a question which is getting repeated in this last few years based on free cash flow and WACC method. This question was given in March 22 MTP of the institute, May 2010 exam, May 2012 RTP, and we have solved the same question in our class. You can check question number 14, page number 10.15. As usual, the third question is nowadays a theory question for 4 marks, so the student cannot avoid the theory part, and it is a compulsory question on asset and liability management. Question number 2A for 8 marks on international capital budgeting. This is again a repeat question of Nepal, and it was given inflation in India and Nepal is so and so. So you will easily recall that question we have covered in the class. Institute has asked the same question in November 15 exam, same question. This time only the figures were different. May 2020 RTP, December 2021 exam, and in our book we have covered same question number 4, 15.6 and many similar question also. So students should be able to solve this question and get 8 marks. Question number 2B was on foreign exchange management forex topic on lead and lag. I think this was the easiest question of this entire paper. The same question was asked in January 2009 and we have solved the same problem in our booklet. You can check question 20, page 14.12. A very easy question asking you to calculate forward rate whether you should lead or lag. Question number 2C, theory question on interest rate risk management. Easily you can solve. Question number 3, the first question was on derivative where you will be required to calculate portfolio beta, reduce the portfolio beta, increase the portfolio beta using risk-free return and index future. Very often repeated question in the exam. If you look at the institute RTP, May 21 RTP had similar question, March 22 MTP, May 13 exam had similar question, RTP May 2020. In our book we have 5 or 6 questions of this type. I have just mentioned few. Question 22, 38, 59, 61. If you solve these questions, you will be able to easily solve this exam question. 3B, 8 mark on portfolio management, and the same to same question, 100% same question, only figures were different. The whole question was same, based on constant ratio plan, which was asked in RTP May 2010, and we have covered the same question in the class, question 115, page number 4.64. Question 3C, a theory question on forex. You have to write a note on money market hedging. So we have a long note on this money market hedging on page 14.14. Question number 4A, again a very easy question on mutual fund, where you have to compute Sharpe ratio and trainer ratio. Okay, you just have to apply the formula, calculate Sharpe ratio and trainer ratio and rank it. The same question was given in one of the oldest RTP. I have not written the year, it was something around 2003 or 4. We have covered the same question in our book, question number 15 on page 5.13. Question 8 was again on portfolio management. This year the weightage was more and more on portfolio management. So do it properly. We have also uploaded the entire portfolio management chapter on the YouTube channel AS Foundation, where you can go and watch all the lectures. So it required you to compute portfolio beta and right mix of portfolio. Similar questions have been asked in the past, May 2008, July 21. This question has one or two additional parts which was probably new. In our book also we have similar question number 39, page 4.27. Question 4C was on securitization. You have to write features of securitization. Very easy question. Question 5A, 8 marks. Again portfolio management. And you have to compute portfolio return and portfolio beta. One of the very easy questions on portfolio management. With a basic knowledge will be able to solve, and we have covered similar question in our class, question number 26, page number 11.22. Then question number 5B, this I think page number is not right, I'll check it again. Question number 5B was on bond valuation, and this is again a very repeat question. They will give you features of a convertible bond, and you have to find various aspects of convertible bond, like straight value of bond, conversion value, etc., which a good student can easily get 8 marks. Same question have been asked so many times in the exam, like for example November 8 exam, May 14 exam, July 21 exam, RTP November 12, RTP May 13. All these questions we have in our book, and I have given the reference also. You can check. Practice all these questions and you can easily answer this exam question. 5C, theory question on startup finance, bootstrapping. Question 6A was on bond valuation. A very easy question where you have to find out the value of the bond under different yield scenario and also calculate the yield. This question was slightly new, but it was very easy, you can solve it. Then question number 6B was a theory question and a numerical, theory plus numerical on sustainable growth. So by using growth model, you can solve this question. Question 6C was again a theory question where you have to write a note on venture capital fund. They have asked the same question in May 21 RTP and December 21 exam. And question number 6C, you had a choice between these two. Value at risk, you have to just write a theory question on application of value at risk. So to summarize, this paper was relatively easy. A good student can easily score 70 plus marks. All questions were from ICI module, RTP, MPP and exam. And we have covered all these questions. Trust me, whatever I mentioned you can check in the book. They have been covered in the class. Many questions are as it is. Based on my experience of last about 20 years, we have gathered all questions they have asked right from year 2000 till date in our book. And that is why every time more than 90-95 marks questions are there in our book. So trust me, complete our video lectures fully, and in the next exam also you will get 90-95 marks question directly from the booklet with lot of practice in the class, so you can solve them also easily. So thank you very much. If you want to purchase SFM video, regular lecture, revision lecture, the languages are Hindi also and fully English also. South Indian student can purchase fully English lectures. So all options are available. You can purchase the booklet also. You can purchase the practice booklet or formula booklet. Very useful. So these are the phone numbers, WhatsApp number, email ID asfoundation1@gmail.com. Visit our website vknow.in and place your order today itself. Also inform your friends. Subscribe to our YouTube channel AS Foundation, because we are going to come out with lot of information, updates, amendments and offers. So thank you once again for watching this video. Wish you all the best.